Are you considering getting a divorce in the UK? The first step in the process is filing a divorce petition. But do you know how much it will cost you? In today's video, we'll explore the cost of a divorce petition in the UK and discuss some options to help you if you can't afford the fee. So, let's get started. If you're planning to end your marriage, the divorce petition is the initial requirement. It's essential whether you and your partner agree on the divorce or if you anticipate a legal battle. The cost of a divorce petition fee is fixed at £593. However, there are circumstances where you might be eligible for a fee waiver or a reduction. The divorce petition is a document filed by one spouse with the court, stating the grounds for the divorce. The other spouse then has the opportunity to respond. It's important to understand that the divorce petition or application initiates the divorce process and incurs a cost. When filing a divorce petition, you provide details about the marriage, reasons for the split, and any financial or child arrangements that need to be made. Names, addresses, dates, and places of marriage are usually included, along with information about children. The divorce grounds are based on factors like adultery, unreasonable behaviour, desertion, or a period of separation. To cover the cost of filing a divorce petition, you are responsible for paying the fee directly to the court. At present, the fee stands at £593. It's crucial to include the payment with your divorce petition when you file it. The payment process may vary depending on the court, but typically you should include a cheque or postal order payable to HM Courts and Tribunal Service, along with your petition. Now, what if you find yourself unable to afford the divorce petition fee? Let's explore some options available to help people with limited financial resources. First, you might qualify for a fee remission, which means you won't have to pay the full fee. Eligibility for fee remission depends on factors such as your income, savings, and your benefits. You can find more information and application forms on the government website or by contacting the court directly. If you don't qualify for fee remission but still can't afford the fee, you may be eligible to get help with fees. This scheme offers a partial discount based on your financial situation. Visit the government website for more details and an application form. Another option is to inquire about paying the fee in instalments. Some courts allow you to make the payment more manageable by spreading it over several payments. When filing the divorce petition, be sure to ask the court about the possibility of instalment payments. Depending on your circumstance, you might also qualify for legal aid, which provides free legal advice and representation. However, it's important to note that the legal aid for divorce cases is typically limited to situations involving domestic abuse or child protection. To determine if you qualify, consult the government website or seek advice from a lawyer. While the divorce petition fee is a significant cost, it's essential to remember that there may be additional expenses throughout the divorce process. If you choose to hire a lawyer, their fees can vary based on factors like their experience and the complexity of your case. Court hearings, mediation fees, and obtaining additional divorce documents can also contribute to the overall cost. Legal fees in a divorce can range from a few £100s to several £1,000s, depending on various factors. It's crucial to discuss fee structures and estimated costs with your solicitor before proceeding. Consider obtaining quotes from multiple solicitors, comparing their fees, and exploring ways to keep costs down, such as using paralegal services or alternative dispute resolution methods. Mediation, for example, can be a more cost-effective alternative to litigation. The cost of mediation typically ranges from £750 to £2,000 per person, depending on factors like the mediator's experience and the complexity of the issues. Remember to discuss fees and inquire about any financial aid options that may be available. To save money during the divorce process, open and honest communication with your spouse is key. If both parties can agree on important matters like child custody, financial settlements, and property division, it can significantly reduce legal fees and court involvement. Consider exploring uncontested divorce options, mediation, or representing yourself if your case is straightforward and amicable. Gathering and organising relevant documents, preparing for meetings and court appearances, and seeking legal advice strategically can help minimise costs. Additionally, exploring fee remission, legal assistance programs, and resources that can offer financial aid if you're unable to afford the divorce fees. Even with the most amicable of divorces, it can still be worthwhile to consult with a solicitor for expert advice on how to proceed. These days, there's many online solicitors that can work out cheaper and easier than meeting in person. JustAnswer, for example, only costs £5 for a trial, which could be far less than a traditional in-person appointment. One of my colleagues used their service and saved over £270 on an outstanding parking ticket. I've linked that offer in the description. If you use that, you'll also be supporting Money Nerd, so thank you.